truck needed this.
That's it.
Now we just need to do that to the rig somehow.
We need to make rig-size car washes.
Right? Oh, the rig's set up. You can go find another spot. You go across the bridge right there. And then you'd be right up there. Alright, trying to find a spot in the rain here. This one is good, but it's kind of right on the road, but you're still having umbrella issues? Wow. We made it. And we just got it set up. Took us a little bit because this site is awesome. And it's got unbelievable views, but it's a good slope incline. As you can see the rest of the hill up there. So it took us a bit to get to the point where we could use our Andersons, but we finally got it.
Yeah, those wheels were supposed to be like all the way.
Yeah, we're supposed to be, the whole rig's supposed to be over a little bit in relation to, we're kind of tight over here on the bank, but we had to do that, otherwise it was like 5-6 inches off, as opposed to right now we're only 3.5, but it works. But we get great views. There's the lake right there. It's a beautiful fall day and Victor's freezing. And then to boot, we've got like several Grand Design reflections right around us. It's like, we're obviously it's us. And then we've got one right there. Got one right there. And one right there. And then a Solitude above that. So we're all in here together. Representing well. Anything last words?
No idea.
He's a zombie. Can't you see his face, Dad? It's like
he's a zombie?
His lips are turning purple. His eyes are like candy.
Well, it's time for Halloween, so there's that. Look, if you're back in your home.
I know. It is so cold here.
He was shivering in the truck.
It was cold.
Yeah, it's awesome. It was a nice fall day.
Alright, you take it. Oh, that smells so good. You smell like coffee. It's the candy store.
Oh, I can smell it now.
Coffee.
Wow, that smells great.
What is it?
They're making us some coffee.
Oh, look at the sign.
Hershey Kisses for lights.
Well, yeah. This is rock power mom. Look at the light bulbs, Katie.
Wait, what? Oh, they have
Hershey Kisses. Hershey bushes.
Hershey Kisses.
Hershey Kisses.
Look, there's Hershey Kisses.
There it is. It says Hershey.
Kiss. It just comes out white ink.
Dude, I noticed that earlier actually.
What? Everyone's gonna notice that.
Everybody, including me. Hey, you know you have a spot on your pants?
No, but I think one of the crowd. Hey kid, she already has a spot on
I know, that's what she was gonna say. Oh, where'd that go? She's got a spot on her pants.
She had Jack's recording.
Have your chocolate mask?
No.
They should give us chocolate masks. At least you could lick on the inside of them while we're wearing them.
Yeah, how dirty her face would be after that.
Holy cow, that's a lot of candy.
That's a lot of candy, buddy. Whoa. Welcome to Hershey World. Go ahead, Vic. You gotta get in there, bro.
Just like really. I'm glad we still have 2 kids.
Victor, get in there. You don't want to? Not so much?
They're
Oh, our little kid is growing up.
Wait, is that the creator?
Yes.
He started
I'm gonna buy you this one.
Milton Hershey.
Who's that? Oh, is that what it is?
Talking.
Oh, we're talking. Make your own something or other? Oh, you just fill a bag or a bucket. Ooh, this is where it's at, right here. Dark, special dark chocolate. All right, guys. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate. What's your thing?
Classic. That's
Almond, caramel.
Yep, special dark is mine.
Okay. Special dark.
Oh, you like the mint
Milk
one?
Actually, I never had the caramel.
Almond, caramel, or white cream.
Isn't there a mint one that you like?
Look, that's
There's a
cocoa
white cream.
Chocolate.
World's largest Hershey's chocolate bar.
World's largest.
Oh yeah.
That's a big solid bar of
Put
chocolate.
your hand. Like put your hand on that.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
Alright, let's do this. Self-guided Hershey Tour. That's pretty old. That's what it does originally. This is what the other place would be like, is the history of it. Wall of history. That one to start? 1857 is when Hershey was born.
This is his first time.
The Lancaster Caramel Company. Sold this for $1 million.
Hershey Chocolate Factory born in 1903. Yeah, they're right next to all the dairy farms. Makes sense.
It's a whole town.
Parks, homes, theaters, sports venues, churches. That's what the sign said. 270 beans to make 1 pound.
There's 220.
See how it, weird how it grows right on the trees, huh?
Welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside.
look at that.
the
We're taking a
vehicle
ride.
at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Goodness.
Oh yeah! What? We got a free Hershey bar.
This is legit.
I know, right?
This should be the world's smallest Hershey.
The Reese's. Just in case you like Reese's, they've got everyone under the sun. Oh, snap. A York pack?
Yeah.
Stop showing me this.
I've never seen a green traffic cone.
Well, guess what? There's orange and green. Mind blown.
What?
Green traffic cone. What? It means go and hit it.
So we don't need to go to Hershey to be amazed. We look at the
means
green
go.
traffic cones.
The dad.
That's where it's
I
at.
was almost.
Green
about to
means
tell
go.
him.
All right, pass the candy out.
So, Hershey Chocolate World.
Hershey chocolate.
Dude,
Dude, you went to the chocolate place and got Twizzlers.
He's not right.
Okay, so what y'all think, guys?
It's fun.
Now we went off season and Hershey Park was not open,
Yes.
but the free tour,
Yeah,
that little ride out, that was cool for being free.
did y'all like it?
Hashtag leave your wallet at home, Angel.
Angel, y'all gonna like
Good
it.
shout out to you. That was a great way to come see and not spend any money.
And then,
Now we did spend money because we bought some candy. If you go through, you get a little
Snack.
Hershey bar. Yeah.
Okay.
About.
so we love the history of how Milton Hershey started a whole town. So the kids are gonna read this.
Yep.
And then we got each
Ourselves
of
some
us
sweet
got
treats.
our
And
own.
then Dad and I
I think we got all Reese's Pieces. Or Reese's.
We did not get Hershey's.
Hey, I did get Yorks. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Got the Yorks.
That's Katie's.
No.
Jack got Twizzlers. And Jeremy got stickers for the Yeti.
Yep, got stickers. Keep that going. So it was
That's
fun
it.
though. Alright, so Reese's Franken Cups. Look
Are you
at that.
recording? Oh, yeah, you are.
Green.
Twizzler.
It's green colored cream based Reese's Cups. Why not?
Okay,
I was hoping it was mint actually.
it's not mint.
No.
Aw.
It may be, it doesn't say mint, it just says cream, but it's cream.
So, interesting tidbit. I'm allergic to chocolate.
I'm allergic to.
Yeah, we went to Hershey Chocolate Factory when almost everybody's allergic to chocolate.
Oh, but I do have to say, for people that have allergies, the chocolate tour is it was allergy friendly because they have everything behind.
Yeah,
the
I mean, if you're worried about people with nut allergies,
I was a little bit with Jack.
then you'd be fine.
Yeah,
So
we did good, right, Jack?
green based filled
Just completely white.
Reese's Cups. Still tastes amazing.
Yeah.
Take a bite, Jack. Just kidding. Mm.
Woo! Twizzler!
No, that is not where it's at. Sorry, no. That is not where it's at either. Wow.
I can't even get it on now.
Finally cleared off. Now it's a beautiful.
Get it on.
What are you doing? You're messing up my little thing over here. The beautiful fall evening in Pennsylvania. We're going on a little bike ride now that it's finally cleared off. Just be careful. You'll be alright.
I can't get it on.
Oh yeah, that one right there. I know, I see it popping through. Things very vibrant. Beautiful. But that section up there on the hill is where we're at. And you can see our rig right there from here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, the sun's hitting it, making it all fluorescent.
Golden hour.
Yeah. What are you doing? Dinner?
This is chili. It's been colder up here. I like chili.
Nice
So we got
chili
this, all these peppers, the little Mennonite country, what's it called? The country view.
Country View grocery.
So this was like $1.50 for all these,
Yeah, great prices.
but they were reduced, so they needed to be used right away. So that's where we're making chili tonight.
These guys are catching up
Are these
on
weird or this way?
We haven't had internet for a while.
Yeah, we haven't, so everybody's kind of enjoying having some cellular service.
In fact, when we came here, we thought that there was going to be no cell phone service at all. And then our spot happened to have some.
Yeah, we're bouncing around with some bars, so it's good
I've
stuff.
never had a green pepper.
Really?
Do you
Never?
like green peppers? I don't like it as much as these.
I like orange better. Orange is my favorite pepper.
They have a hitching post right there.
You can do rice.
So, there's an Amish buggy right there.
Yeah.
Yes, they actually, you know it's something when they have a hitching post. Yep. We're at the outlets. Because that's what you do when you come to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Whoops. So I had to go to the Pottery Barn outlet to check for something. So, I behaved myself and stayed in the truck. Driving through Amish country. Old barns and houses with no electric. Oh gosh. Woo, that smells great. Nice truck.
Don't see it? Yeah, that was legit.
Turn second right.
Looking up the range. Checking out a little Amish bakery. What?
Yeah,
Ooh.
that's Rocky Road.
Dreamsicle fudge. I'm sorry.
Oh, look, they got
This thing right here. These are mini Whoopee Pies. Yeah. Oh, famous Whoopee Pie.
Yes.
It's like a what?
A milk cream pie.
Is it? Only
My favorite.
Mine too.
only better because it's Amish made.
Oh, it smells so good.
Whoopee cookies are good but sweet.
Yeah, I was only able to eat a couple bites.
I think I could distribute this for a week and still have enough.
We should have got the minis. I can see myself eating 8 of these, at least 1 of these a day for a week.
You got sugar problems.
Jack, you know my
Oh, too much broccoli.
These goats were from the village. I wonder how they. What do you think, buddy?
Dad, you a quarter.
I don't. We are in the town of Bird in Hand. That's where we just got the Whoopee Pies. And Bird in Hand, just a covered wagon. This is what they went across the prairie in. It was pretty cool. Look at that thing. Wow. Pretty cool. Big old market. And they have the gift store down here. Look at all these trees.